Model K6-1224. 6+1 high definition, 6-color Flexo printing coating, and auto stacking machine. From the market research, the demand of packaging for the beer, mineral water, and beverages is increasing, while the corporate labor cost is growing rapidly. That makes the carton machinery automatic and intelligent become the inevitable trend. Oriented to high-quality printing carton, the machine adopts high-definition printing, 100 to 130 LPI, high precision plus/minus 0.25 to 0.3 millimeter, and high machine standard configuration ensure good precision under high speed. Achieve similar printing results to offset printing and laminating, greatly lower the cost, and improve the effectiveness. Machine features. Adopt advanced technologies from Europe and America. Full set of electronic control system from Europe and Japan. Centralizing computer system and each unit independent computer control to achieve remote diagnosis and maintenance. Multiple languages operating system, able to facilitate production management and ERP system seamless connection. Multiple languages operating system, able to connect ERP. CNC control system, automatic setup, precision transmission. Printing units with vacuum transfer system, high LPI for ceramic anti-locks roller, with Dr. Blade inking supply system. Water-based varnish coating, improve the visual effect of carton surface and the function of moisture-proof and waterproof. Dryer unit adopts IR drying device, hot air auxiliary. Inline with slotting and die cutting to produce the carton one time. Computerized setting can save order. Maximum mechanical speed, 250 pieces per minute. Maximum production speed, 180 pieces per minute. Economic production speed, 100 to 150 pieces per minute.